There's a Century Intense.
All right. Century Intense.
It happens to be Jay with his salt, but he's intense.
Huh. All right, we're running two things. A drone and a camera. Here we go. Here we go. I'm recording, by the way. All right, here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it on my back for a little bit.
Okay.
Mags in and semi on.
All right, here we go. Shoot.
I think it's pretty dead.
What? No, I'm. There it is. It's good. I just had to get it.
Turn it, turn it, turn it. Oh my god, why wouldn't you put it out in the open?
It's in the open.
Here, Josh, take my gun.
Why?
Cause I'm gonna roll with the small guy for now.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Alright.
I'm watching the footage.
If you need a gun, it's right there. Don't forget.
Yep. Contacts, we got at least 5. Hostiles, hostiles. Chop, chop. Oh, frick. And there it goes. It's on the ground. Oh shoot.
Already got a car.
Oh, we got one? Woohoo!
It's not heavy enough, man.
Oh!
No, it's 20.
Hold your fire. Holy crap. All right, I'm good to go. I'm just gonna record with the GoPro. All right. There's a buttload of them over at Chop Shop.
Well, I would go in there with the riot shield, but...
Right? Oh shoot, they're right across the street. This stupid tag, it's in the way.
They tried to do that to me, I was like, I'm not putting it there, I'm going down.
Oh no. Hi Matt. Oh shoot. Holy crap. Oh, hit. Revive.
3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was ridiculous. We're getting, hey, you better get in here. It's too dangerous out.
Try going back to bowling alley?
We got, I don't know. I mean, we could push. We think we're gonna push the bowling alley. There we go. We're gonna push the bowling alley, I think. Even though there's like 3. Oh wait, those are our guys, no? Oh,
Friendly in here.
green. Okay, I thought you were gonna start blasting everything up.
Hey, watch out.
I think those are our guys in there.
I'm not sure.
Not in Chop Shop though, but in bowling alley.
Want me to move in there and try?
I'm going into bowling alley. Ah.
Oh, nice hit.
He got you?
Did I get you also?
Yeah, you got me too.
Oh, you got blood everywhere.
Head, wasn't it?
Shoot.
They made me stop using the right.
Holy crap.
Oh, they made you stop?
Yeah, no, he said it wasn't heavy enough. You know, mine.
Oh, yeah. Like
You have a business card?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Even, oh, you're dead?
No, I'm good.
Oh, I can revive.
Someone saved me. Oh, you down?
Yeah, what?
Oh!
Yeah. I'm dead, I'm dead.
We're dead, we're dead.
I was
Medic! Need a medic out here!
Are you a sentry? Yeah, okay.
Oh, what the heck? We're dead. That's a sniper mag right there. Shoot. You too? We've got, I think we killed 2 sentries in there. Right? That was 2 sentries?
Yeah,
Okay. That was funny.
Yeah, it sounds like a cat raid.
Matt, wait, where's our spawn?
Where we start off.
Ah.
At least I got a card though.
Right?
Well, that's gonna make this last one without a riot shield.